Hi and welcome to another quick Draw Toons with me, Al.
And me, Orla.
Today we're going to be learning how to draw Smudge.
It's Smidge!
Sorry, Smidge. Smidge, yeah. He looks quite cute.
It's a she!
It's a she, sorry, Smidge is a she. And what's Smidge from?
Trolls.
Trolls, as you can tell by our table of trolls here.
And some there.
And some behind us as well, yes. So for today's lesson you're going to need
A black pen.
a black pen and the colours
And the human saying it.
turquoise, light blue, yellow,
Pink, bright blue, and magenta.
yes. So, remember you can pause the video anytime you like to keep up. Anything else we need to say?
Yes. Good luck.
Good luck. Here we go.
Yay!
Okay, so we're going to start with a circle around about there on your page. And quite big because you've got to get the eyes. Obviously it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And in the middle of that circle you're going to do a little egg shape for
The nose.
the nose. Below that you do a little smile. And then another little one below that for
The lip.
the lip. Right, we're going to do the eyes. So you do a nice big round circle there and another big round circle there.
I'm doing the eyes. Good.
Yeah, you are. And then inside that you do another circle quite big. And the other side. And in the middle of that one you do a smaller circle that you can colour in. Now,
That was good.
it's looking really good already. We put a little spiky bit that you can colour in black. The eyelashes, yeah. And then the eyebrows above to give the expression of a happy troll.
First drawing Smidge from Trolls.
Yeah. Yeah, he looks cute, doesn't he? Okay.
She.
Yeah. And now the ears, we're going to do, they're like a leaf shape, but they're not too pointy. And the other side. And then just put a little line in, show a bit of detail.
Next, can we draw ties on it?
Yes, we can. We'll make it look cuter with the colouring. Okay, so halfway up this ear, you're going to do the shape of the hair that goes like this. It goes in, just curls back out. That's good. And now this side, same thing, from halfway up the ear, but this time it just curves in towards that line and stops with a little gap. That's it. And now for the bow. So you do a little curve that side, and a gap and another curve. And then the actual bow part is that shape. And the same the other side. Now we're going to continue this line, this side, and it comes up and a little flick and a spike on the end, and then a bigger spike in the middle, and then another little spike, and then join it back to the bow. That's looking really
Now
good.
to draw body.
Yes, the body. So if you start the dress about there and it curves outwards like that, and then move your pen across to about there and it goes a straighter line like that. Then join those two with a little curve, a gentle curve. Then we add a little neckline. And what's on the dress?
A circle. Or you can do a love heart.
Yeah, you could do if you wanted to. That's really good. Okay, now for the arm, I'm going to choose that point where the chin meets the dress, and you do a line out and back in. But don't do it all the way because you need space for the fingers. 3 fingers, and then a little line for the arm. And then the same this side. come out and back in, leave a gap for the 1, 2, 3 fingers, and then a little line. Okay, so now the legs. So you go to this end of the dress and you do a little curve coming round.
Or you can do like a little gap.
You could leave a little gap as well, yes.
Yeah.
And then the same here, but go a little bit longer, come round for the heel. And then that goes straight along, and then you start doing the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join it back up to that line. It's really good. And this time,
I did a baby bird today.
you did hold a baby bird today. Okay, for this leg, it goes more straight, and then the foot comes out a bit. And here we do the same as the other one, it curves round to the heel. And as you come along, you do 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. That's brilliant. Smidge! And now we're ready to colour it, but you're going to be colouring it, Orla, and we're going to speed up the video so that people that are wanting to copy you